one more, I need your favor, help வேணும். So mute your mics lah, while we are conducting class. So any question, later can turn on mic and ask question. Okay. So if when I am explaining to you, you can turn off your mic first. Okay, mute your mic first. Okay. So another 1-2 minutes we will start. Okay, because some of your friends have technical problem. They message it. Okay, they said they're joining. So we give them some time. Okay, so all of you standard 1, right? Or any standard 2 or 3 here? Anyone standard 2, standard 3? No, all standard 1, eh? Okay, so we are going to start right now. Okay, so for today class, we will for today class we will do revision based on the previous lessons. Okay, we have 4 lessons, right? Now week பாடம் இருக்கு படிச்சிருந்தோம். So we are going to do revision on that. Okay, so afterwards we have quiz answer. Okay, so I will provide a link. So you have to answer the quiz. Okay, all the quizzes are based on what you learn and pass for quiz. Okay, so give me a moment. I will share my screen so you can see now. Okay, wait there. Moment. Is it appear ready? Can you see? Anyone can see my screen? I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it?
No, sir. Not yet, sir.
Not yes, sir.
Oh, not yet. Oh. Okay. Wait. I think it's loading. One moment. Okay. Oh, I stop share again. I stopped and I share again. And please mute your mics. I think someone turn on mic. Okay. Please mute it. Okay. So while it's loading, I just want to refresh back lah. So what we learned previous classes. Okay. So first, you learn about sprites. Do you remember the sprites?
Yeah, the second.
Okay, so give me a name of sprite that we learned.
Cat.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Crab.
Okay, cat. Some more?
Crab.
Okay, good. Crab. Some more?
Woman. Butterfly. Dinosaur.
Okay, can you hear me now? Just now I problem with my mic, so I joined with another mic.
I can hear you, sir.
Okay. Sprite. Yeah, just now we discussed about the Sprite. Okay. Now for the Sprite, behind the Sprite, you normally put something, right? I won't say the name, but it always have some pictures at the background, backside there. It have like a beach. It have like what do you call the forest? What we call that?
Coding.
No, it's not coding. Sprite, you know already. Sprite is the character that moving around. There's something behind the character. Someone teaching that. Do you know what you call that? Or if you have your own Scratch platform, please can open it. You can see there. Okay, the moving part character we call as a sprite. Behind the sprite, there's some layout that is a picture. Have name for that. Who said that?
Is it Letitia?
Yeah, very good, ma. So it is a background. Okay, it's a backdrop. Okay, we call it as a backdrop. Okay, so sprite and backdrop, there are two things. The two things that is important. Okay, ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒன்று. And the Scratchல வந்து இந்த two elements வந்து ரொம்ப important. Okay, because this is the one attracting others. When people see your Scratch, your presentation, people will be attracted. Wow, nice. Okay, the next part is a moving. Okay, okay, next part will be the movement part. Okay, so my screen actually some problem, so I rejoin again. Wait for a while. I'll share my screen. Okay, now it should be okay. Ready. One moment, See whether it's come ready or not. No chat,
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know why is. I'm unable to share my screen. Don't know why. Something blocking. Okay, hold on. I left. I join again. I left and I join again. Maybe the error is somewhere there. I don't know what is error. Okay, so I just share my screen. Can you see? Can see, right? Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. I see now, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so this part, okay, you can see the image here. Wait, this is what do you call this? What name for this element? Just now I mentioned.
Sprite.
Right, very good. And how about this the background there? This one, this background. This background, what do we call about this background?
Coding.
It's not coding. This is the backdrop actually. Okay, this is the backdrop. Okay, now for first part for today, I just want to introduce you the positions. Okay, the positions. Okay, you can see the cat. Okay, the not cat, the sprite. Okay, we can always can put in the middle. So the middle code, okay, the middle code always will be 0 0. Okay, center lah. Okay, we call it as a center. Okay, nadu மைய பகுதி சொல்லுவோம்ல center. The center part வந்து always will be 0 0. Okay, how much the x?
0 0.
Okay, x0, y0. So whenever we place our coding with x0, y0, the cat வந்து middle வந்து உட்கார்ந்துரும். Okay, whatever sprite lah, it will come to the middle. Okay, from the middle we have to move the sprite to the wherever you want. Okay, you can go to up, you can go to down, you can go to the right, you can go to the left. Okay, so now we will start with the moving to the right position. Okay, the right position, moving in this direction. Okay, when moving this direction, you can see here the value of the x and y. You can see or not?
Yes.
So the x can move maximum until 240. Yeah, so in the center, when you move along the center, the y will be remain as a 0, because in the center part la vandu x only have value, y is always 0. If you, whether you are moving to the right or moving to the left, y always will be 0. So y எப்ப increase பண்ணும்? யாருக்கு தெரியும்? எப்ப y increase பண்ணும்?
When we go up.
Ah, very good. When we go up or down, the y value will change lah. So up pona is become positive value. Down pona
Negative value.
very good. When you remember, you all of you remember. Okay, good. And same also for the x. When you go to the right, x value increase in positive. But when you go to the left, what happened to the x value? Who can tell me? You see here, look at here. What is x value here? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Nice, no?
240. Negative.
So,
240.
negative 240. So just recall back, remember this, because later in the quiz you need to answer on this. Okay, so moving to the right, okay, moving to the right, x will be positive. Moving to the left, x will be negative. And same goes, moving to the up, y will be positive, and moving to the down, y will be negative. So remember these things. Okay, all right, now we want to study about position. Okay, study about position. Okay, look at here, how much the value here? Can you see the value? How much? 100 100. Can you see this? 100 100. I think everyone turning on, that's why. Okay, some sound there. Okay, so I explaining to you. Listen. Okay, here the position. Okay, this point. This actual point is y is 100, and for this point here, this part here, the x is 100. So when this cat moves to that, moves to here. I'm moving the cat here, this position. Okay, so it will meet up at the y 100 and x 100. It will stop at this point. Okay, so when I ask you what is the position of the cat, you must read x and you must read y. So here the cat is in x 100, y 100. You must mention like that. Okay, the cat is x is 100. Okay, next y is 100. Understand the position? So whenever a sprite is we put somewhere, we can see the x position, we can see the y position, and we can write it down. Okay, can okay, so again I want to move the cat to another position. I wanted to see whether you can identify or not. Okay, let's say I move this cat to this position here. How much? X, how much Y?
180.
Okay, X will be
180.
no, it's not 180. Look down here.
240.
No, it's here. Some more down. Can see the X value.
200.
Ah, so X is 200 and Y will be
180.
no. Look at here the box.
100.
100. Okay, so you always must see the center point. The center point will be X is 200 and Y will be 100. Same goes when the cat move to the left. Let's say the cat moves somewhere. Oh, don't want the cat. I just put a dot because cat is too big, right? I put a small dot. So maybe you can identify. Okay, let's say it goes here. This point. This point. How much X, how much Y for this point? Who can tell me?
Y is 200.
X first. Always X.
300.
300. Is it correct? Where to see? Must see where? You see, this is the
200.
look at the X coordinate. Wait, I draw for you. Okay, for this position, you must see the X here. So how much the X stated here? Negative 200, right? So you must take the negative 200 and wait, I type here. Okay, negative 200. Sorry, it's not up here. Okay, then the Y will be it is the Y part here. Negative. Can you see the value here? How much the Y?
100.
Negative 100. So, okay. You have to type it out there. Easy for you. Negative 100. So the X is negative 200 and Y is negative 100. So this is how we determine the position of the sprite. Okay, so we can move the sprite anywhere in the range of 200. For X it should be negative 240 to positive 240. The Y should be 180 to negative 180. Within this range, you can move anywhere your sprite. Okay. Now, next thing, we have some terms, okay, like corner. Do you all know what is corner? What is corner?
I know, sir.
Where's the corner actually here? How many corners we have?
4.
Very good. Then you all know already. So corner means the area, the point area here. This is the corner. And bottom got one corner, here got one corner, okay, this one corner, next this side got one corner, this last part here, and also upstairs here got one corner. Okay, see, there will be 4 corners, okay, and we have right, left, okay. Right means this area, the middle point is here, right, the Y line. So the Y line in the right hand side we call it as a right corner. Okay, this is as a right corner. Okay, so I type it for you. This is a right. This is right hand side and this will be left hand side. So when I said right corner, we have 2. One here, another one here. So right corner, this also right corner. When I say left corner, here bottom got one left and top got one left. Clear on this? Understand? Right corner, left corner. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for right corner, we have 2, right? One is up, one is down, isn't it? So the up we call as the up we call as a top, and the down we call as a bottom. Okay, the down one we call as a bottom. So we have top right corner and bottom right corner. Clear on this, huh? Top, this part we call as a top right corner, and this part is bottom right corner. And this side also same. This part will be top left corner and bottom will be bottom left corner. So why I'm explaining this? Because this is a terms. Okay. So whenever I say in the class also, I'll say, okay, make sure your sprite moves to the top right corner. You must make sure your cat moving towards, or your sprite moving towards the top right corner. Or I said move the bottom left corner. It must move to the left and down. Okay, later in a quiz, you will see these terms of questions, so you must be ready to answer that. So you must know what is right corner, left corner, top and bottom. Okay, so these are the things you should know. Okay, any question on this, please? Not clear, don't understand, you can ask, I can show again. Don't ask me question, I will show you again. Anyone have question? Okay, no question, huh? Can we move to next one? Okay, if no question, let me ask you some questions. Okay, who else here? So I call name and you answer me. Okay, can but actually I don't have your real name here because you're using your parents, your sister's brother's name. So I just call according to the screen name lah. Screen name Okay. Who using Shamini Chandran's ID? Shamini Chandran ID. Okay, your name. Your name? Dharmendran. Okay. Now a question for you. Okay, look at the screen. Okay. I just write first the ABCD. Okay, here will be C and here will be D. Okay, so you have to tell me which one here. Okay, wait, I make it smaller for you, easy to see. You can see ABCD, right? A, B, C and D. Can see, right? Okay, so which one ABCD is bottom left corner? ABCD, which one is the bottom left corner? Please answer, yeah? C. Okay, I open to others. Who's using the ID of Rani? Who's using Rani? What's your name, I can't hear. Okay. So which one is the bottom left corner? Your friend say just now is C. Or you can type in a chat box. All of you can type in a chat box. I want bottom left corner. So you can type in a chat box. Which one do you think? Everyone can type also, no issue.
C.
Okay. Type there. Type in the chat box. You know how to type in the chat box, right?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, don't know. Okay, it's okay. Those who know can type. Okay, some type C, some type D. So my question is bottom left corner. Okay, only few people replied me. Okay, some still typing. Okay, okay. So is no issue on that. Okay, so I can still can revise with you. Okay, so the answer is actually D is correct. Okay, those who answered D, very good. Because why? I just now told you BF left and right. Okay, you must know what is left, what is right. Okay, so this part is actually right hand side. Okay, this part is right hand side and this part is left hand side. Okay, left hand side. Okay, so right left. So my requirement is top bottom left corner. So I want left, so must go this side lah. If this side we have A and D only, so I'm asking for bottom. So this is the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom and this one is the top. Okay, this one is the top. So my requirement is bottom left corner. So this is the part lah. So D is the answer. Okay, I open for next question. Next question. Also ABCD also. Top right corner. Top right corner, please. You can type it down in the chat box. Top right corner. So ABCD, Pishon, top right corner. Okay, those who know type can type. Don't know type, just turn on mic and say the answer. Okay, this is all about positioning because later when you want to move the sprite, you must know where you want to move your sprite. Okay, so far one person only answered. Others don't know. Top right corner. So from this, okay,
Sir,
this picture.
I don't see the sharing.
You don't see the sharing. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait, I go back there. I check. Okay, hold on. I share again. Okay, I shared. It will appear in some time. Wait. Okay, many people still joining. Okay, so good. Okay, I already shared, but is it appear?
Not yet, sir. No, sir.
When my screen is showing, it's already shared and I can see the image. Maybe my network's low, I think. Can see or not?
No, sir.
Still no. So it's already
No,
empty.
sir. Not yet. Now can, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's late. I think it takes some time. I don't know why. Okay. So this is what I'm asking just now. Top right corner. So when I say top, always you see the upper part lah. Okay. A and B is the top. Okay. And when I say right, B is the right. So this part we say as a top right corner. So the answer is B. So those who answer B, very good. You all know already. Okay, so this is the first part. That is, they have a few questions, 5 to 6 questions on this part. So please get ready on that. Okay, now I'm moving to the Scratch. Okay, this Scratch platform. Okay, this is what we are doing in past 1 month. Okay, so we have coding blocks here. Okay, on our left hand side. Can see the left hand side here or not? Okay, so I read through one by one. We have a motion blocks. So we have a looks block. We have a sound block. We have events, control, sensing, operators, variable, and some more my blocks. Okay, so from all these blocks, we are using few only lah so far. Okay, mostly we work on motions and also events lah. From event, we use green when green flag clicks. This is the common one lah. Every week we are using this, right? So when any program want to start, must use this lah. Okay, and also we use some from control. Okay, which is a forever block. Okay, we already used this block. So what is the function of forever block? Who can tell me? Anyone? What is the function of forever block? Anyone remember?
Control. I don't know, sir.
Oh, don't know. It's okay.
Control.
Okay, so no, control is the coding blocks lah. Yeah, it's a drawer. So the forever. What is the function of forever?
Context.
என்ன செய்யும்? Forever என்ன செய்யும்? Sprite என்ன செய்ய வைக்கும்?
It will make go keep on.
Yeah. So yes, it will make the sprites move continuously, non-stop. Okay. So forever போடலனா one time மட்டும் தான் செய்யும். So when you put forever, it will do continuously, non-stop. Okay. So let me see some example. Okay. Example. Wait, I move this a little bit up. Okay. Let's say okay. Before that, before start, which block we must use? Before we put any coding, I always told you must start with what? Which block?
Go to X.
Good girl. Okay, go to XY. Okay, and the position. Okay, the position. So we can put anywhere we want lah. Okay, let's say we want the cat start from here. Let's say start from here. Okay, so when come here, the number you copy from the scale shown here. X negative 181, Y negative 117. Can you see on the screen this one? This is the position of the cat. So when I move the cat here, the position will change. You can see. Okay, the X still negative. The X still negative, but the Y become positive. When I move the cat up, it will change some more. Can you see or not? The position will change according to the movement of sprite. The number here. Okay, so I put cat. So then I copy. X value is negative 170. You can mute your mic lah. You can mute your mic. Because it's echo there. Okay, Y will be negative 118. So, if let's say I put my cat here, when I click green flag, it will go to that position. The position we set.
Sir,
Yes, yeah. Can, of course. Please, I think who's in Rani's ID? Please mute your mic, huh? Okay, because echo is here. Huh? Okay, so if you want to ask question, can turn on ask. If not, you please mute it. Huh? Okay, so we already set the position for the cat. Always must start with this. Huh? If not, what will happen? I told you the cat will go outside and difficult to get back. So we must set position first. So click green flag, it must come back to the our. I mean, we can set the position. Okay. After this only, we want to make the cat to move. Okay. So for that, which coding block we used? Do you remember? Which coding block we used? எதுமா எதுயா சொல்லுங்க. Which one? And who's remember? Let's say I want the cat move to the top like this.
glide.
Glide. Which one? We got two glide here.
Glide one sets to X and Y.
X and Y. Very good. Okay. So when I click green flag, my cat will glide from the now my position, the position I set to the position that we want, the new position. See, I click green flag, it will go up. Okay. And now my cat come down little bit like this. So I have to add one more glide. The same lah, same glide 1 second lah. Okay. So you see my cat will move in this position. Okay. Next, my cat will move little bit on the top here. So again, I have to put another glide and we test. Okay, and my cat wanted to move down and I add another glide. Okay, see the cat is moving in a position. Okay, so it moves that way. Okay, let's say I want the cat continuously moving. So I should add forever. Okay, see what happened? Now it is in what shape is actually is moving? Who can tell me? The cat moving in what shape?
M.
Very good. So it moves in a letter M. Okay. So easy for you, right? You know right about this, huh? We already learned this. Okay, movement of a letter shape. Okay, so we try some other shapes, huh? We try some other shapes. Okay, so as usual, position we set. Okay, I set the position. I want my cat start from the this time we change, we put the from the top. Okay, my cat wanted to start from here, so I place my cat here, then I take go to and I fix here. So whenever my cat moves, I click green flag, it will come back to the original position. இதுக்கு தான் வந்து go to வைக்கணும். ஓகேவா? We want to make the cat the sprite come back to the original position. Understand? Okay,
Understand, sir.
Okay, good. So next, let's say my cat wanted to move down. Okay, so I use glide. Okay, I put here. So now, see the movement? The cat is moving down. Okay, what happened if I change the second? From 1, I make it 2. See what happened? It will go faster or it becomes slower? Who remember this? I think we tried.
Faster. Slow. Faster.
Slow.
Okay. We test and see, eh? Come, we test and see. It's faster or slow?
Slow.
It will become slower. So when the time increase, it will walk more slower because we are setting, we are telling the cat you walk from top to down in 2 seconds, in 3 seconds. When the time increases, it will make slower lah. So when time decreases, it will go faster. Okay, so it will go slowly actually. Okay, so never mind, we set back the time. Okay, slowly, and I want my cat to move from here to here, middle only. So I take another glide, I put here. Okay, you see the movement, slow and fast. Go 1 second will be fast. Come slow and move fast. Okay, so maybe a screen it will be different. Okay, slow and fast. So I want this is continuously. So I put forever. Okay, so when forever, it will go non-stop lah. So one time only I click green flag, it will do continuously. Can you see or not the movement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you can see me is good lah. So this is what we learn this one we learn in the 3rd class, I think. Okay, so first class we did about the background, the sprite, okay, the basic things, all these things. Second class we learn about movement, and third we learn about the forever, using the forever. Okay, all right, now I stop this. Okay, now we go to another one. Okay, another one is the normal movement. Okay, just remove all these things. Okay, I want my cat move from this end to that end and come back. Okay, this end to that end and come back. So for this, we use move 10 step, move 50 step. Okay, so that day we put what under step. See what I put. The cat is moving like that. Cat is moving like that. Cat is moving like that. Okay. Finally, it go to the end ready. Now, how I want to call back the cat? Who remember? I want to call back the cat. How?
Put another forever.
Another forever.
You must put on each bounce.
Who said that?
Easy, Latisha.
Very good, ma. You remember this. Okay. So some of you say I have to pull this cat back to here, and I click again. It will move. Go outside again. I have to click. This is not automatic. We do coding so that the thing will do itself. Once we click green flag, everything must do automatically. So cannot pull every time. So for this purpose, we have another block set as a if edge bounce like this. Okay, so see it moving, already turns. Okay, turn. But is it correct? See the position of the cat. How to fix this?
We must put set Russian style.
Again, ma?
Set Russian style.
Set rotation style. I think only 1 or 2 people remember this. Set rotation style. So left to right. So what happened? See the cat? So you can see the cat normal, moving, normal. Okay. I want this cat move continuously. What I should do?
We must put forever.
Very good. Put forever. Go to control. Okay, bring the forever. Put inside. Now you see what I put to the cat. But moving very fast. So reduce the steps lah. Reduce to 10. So you can see the movement. Can see the movement. Is it nice or not? Okay. So now you already learned about movement. Now let's we go to bit deeper. We want to make some simple story. Make a simple story. Okay. So for that we must choose the background and a sprite. Okay. So I'm going to cancel. I'm going to delete the cat. Remember, this is the coding that we are going to use. Okay. Okay. We want to use green flag forever. Move 10 step. If edge bounce, then set rotation style. So whenever your cat wanted to go there and turn back, must use if edge bounce. Okay. I want to remove this. Okay. I want to change the background. Let's say I wanted to use. Let's say that we use underwater, right? We use underwater. So we choose that underwater. Okay, where is underwater? Is here.
Sir, I cannot see, sir.
Cannot see what the screen sharing. Is there ready? Now can see or not?
Yeah.
Others can see, right? Okay. So we already choose the background. Okay. Now we want to choose the sprite. Okay. Now for the underwater, which sprite is suitable?
Fish. Shark. Fish.
Underwater must be sea animals lah. Can I choose the human being? Can I put the human being? Can I put ballerina there underwater?
No.
It's not suitable. Only one. Whenever you want to create a story, it must be relevant. Okay, background no, right no must be Delhi. Okay, cannot put bear. No, take bear put underwater. Of course, cannot survive lah.
To cat.
Okay, so we choose fish lah. Or diver. Okay, we can choose a diver. We have diver here. Wait, it will appear. The picture will appear for a while. Okay, I have two divers, so I choose. Let's say I choose this diver 2. Okay, I choose diver 2. Okay, the diver is here ready. Okay, so we want to do coding for diver. So always go to events. Okay, green flag. Okay, next what to do? Come on, you all tell me. I'll do. Do you remember just now?
Yes, sir.
Go to XY.
Go to motion step.
So no, before that we start forever, right?
Yes.
We use forever, we put forever, and we go to the motion. Now here we use move 10 step. Okay, so when I click, gone ready. How to call him back?
Yes.
How to call him back?
We must go and bring, sir.
So like this, click and bring back. If like that means not automatic. I bring ready, but you don't want to come. So what to do, please?
On H bounce.
Again.
If on H bounce.
Good. So stop a green flag, then only put coding. So we go here. If 1H bounce. Okay. Now we see. Is it correct the way he's swimming?
No.
So what to do?
That Russian style.
Stop this one. Go to rotation style. Okay, change it to left to right. Now see, swimming from left to right. Okay, let's say here we have something else to choose. Let's say I choose another one. I click left to right. I choose all around. See what happened. See? So also wrong, eh? All around cannot. So you must left to right only. Okay, so it's moving. So now this is only for one sprite. We can add some more sprites. Okay, we can add some more sprite. Let's say it's underwater. So suppose we have fish, right? So you can add animals lah. Animals. Go to animals. Okay, you can choose fish. Okay, we have okay, this okay fish. Okay, so there's a fish. So same coding. We go to the events, green flag. Okay, then forever, motion, move 10 step. Okay, and if edge bounce, rotation style will be left to right. Now see moving. Is it okay? Correct all?
Yes, sir.
But it is logic. The fish is bigger, but the human is smaller. Is it okay? So how to change the human being bigger? Anyone knows? Because we not just study the one. Okay? So I show you. So I want the human become bigger. I click diver. Then I click costume. Wait, I click ready. Take some time to open. See? This is our diver. So here you can make him bigger. Okay, so see that? Can see the diver getting bigger? Can see or not?
Cannot, sir.
Wait, I make it even bigger for you. Okay, see? The diver getting bigger. And the fish can shrink. We can make it smaller. Same also. Click the fish. Go to costume.
பையன் நீ இது யூஸ் பண்ணணும் கம்ப்யூட்டர். ஆமா நான் இன்னும் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும்.
Okay. So the fish getting smaller. This is the method. Okay. So underwater we have diver, we have fish, and you can add more fishes. You can add jellyfish. Okay, there are a lot of sprites there you can add. So make it like a huge aquarium there. You can see people or fishes are swimming. Okay. So far past 4 weeks we come until here. Okay. So the next week we will start with something else with this. Maybe like a story. So talking. Okay, I will be at. Okay, we have some more here. Looks and sounds we not yet used. So the coming weeks we are going to touch on this. Okay, we will add sound. Okay, we will add looks. So means the fish will change the color. Fish will change the movement. All these things. We'll use the looks and sound. Okay, so it's coming weeks. Okay, so I think that's all. I stop here first because we've already revised whatever we learned in past weeks. We already revised. So what I want is Attendance is important. Okay. Every week, please come to class. Okay.
Starting.
Anything you wanted to ask? Anyone want to ask anything? Hello, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so I do a quick revision ready with you. So please, later when we send a link for you, please answer the questions. Okay. Okay, because previous classes, many students they came to class but they don't want to answer question. So please answer the question. Actually, the question is for measuring. I mean, you understand or not? You which part you don't know. So I want to know about that. That's why we put the questions. All the questions based on what we learned. Okay. So please answer the questions. Okay. So if no questions, I think that's all for today. So next week I'll meet you face to face in a class lah. Okay. So if nothing to ask, and that's all. That's all. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.